Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change YouTube username from mobile. Before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more amazing content. Now let's get this video started. Open your YouTube in your mobile. Then you have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner. Once you are here, you have to click on your channel name. Okay, so once you are here, you have to click on this pencil button in front of the manage videos, which is right here. So over here, if you want to change your username, you have to click on this pencil button which is in front of the tag tips over here, which is my channel name, and I want to change it. So once you have set your username, click on save, and now my username has been changed. Now once you change the username, it will also change your username for YouTube as well as your channel name, and this is how you change your username on YouTube from your mobile. I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe our channel for more amazing content.